So imagine you're baking a cake and then you find the recipe online. But instead of following the recipe, you decide to take out the eggs, you decide to double the sugar, and you decide to replace butter with something completely different. Then you're surprised when it doesn't turn out the way you want. Whose fault is it? It's your fault. The cake didn't turn out the way you wanted it to because you didn't follow the recipe. It's because the ingredients you used didn't follow what the recipe was asking for. Now, applying for jobs, especially in this part of the world, works in a very, very similar way, okay? The employers are literally telling you the exact experiences they're looking for, the exact qualifications they're looking for, the exact skills they're looking for. But what do? You get one CV, and then you use that same CV to apply for as many jobs as you can. You don't check what this particular employer or this particular job advert is asking for to tailor your CV for that particular one. You just drop that one CV and hope it works for all the different job ads that you're applying to, okay? Meanwhile, some of these employers are asking for very specific things, using very specific words. And you sit there and you wonder why it keeps getting rejected. Sometimes when I hear people come on my channel and say they are applying to 100 jobs in a day, and I'm like, how on earth were you able to tailor your CV to 100 job ads in a day and apply? It doesn't make sense. You're probably just using the same CV, not doing a lot of proper edits or proper tailoring, or just applying. Now, one of my most successful videos here on YouTube, one of the videos that made me very, very popular here on YouTube was my CV video, because lots of people had, very great testimonies from that video. And I had even recruiters come under that video to give me very amazing comments. Now, guys, I found this AI tool that allows you to compare your CV against the job ad. So let's say there's a job ad, and I'll show you exactly how it works, but listen to me. So let's say there's a job ad you see, right? And then you already have a CV. You should have a standard CV prepared, right? And then you compare your standard CV against that particular job ad. And this AI tool will give you a score that if we are comparing your standard CV to this particular job ad, it's, let's say, 40%. So then that means I need to change it. And what does it do? This AI tool will do the comparison for you and tell you, you need these keywords, okay? These keywords are missing, or you need to add this, you need to add that, okay? And then it can actually edit your CV, optimize it for you, and give you a better CV for that particular job ad or that particular job advert, okay? Still using your CV, but this time around, including all the keywords and all the things that you need to add to be able to, meet the requirement or the skills or what exactly the employer is looking for. And it tells you exactly what that CV is missing in literally seconds or minutes. Another thing that caught my eye is, I'm sure you've heard of this applicant tracking system. It's most employers or most companies, especially the very large ones, they don't actually sit down to read thousands of CVs. They have a software called applicant tracking system that does this for them. It filters the CVs that you upload on job sites, okay? And this applicant tracking system as well, if you don't have the relevant, skills or keywords that they need in your CV, it will filter yours out and then it will take the other one. So at the end of the day, you are probably the most qualified person for the job, but because of your CV missing certain keywords, you don't even qualify for an interview, okay? And the people who are smart enough to use this AI tool will get picked, because guess what? This AI tool will analyze their CV and tell them this is missing, do another CV for them for that job, okay? And as well help them develop a good supporting statement or a cover letter for that same job. So literally, you can now apply for those 100 jobs in a matter of minutes or hours, okay? Meanwhile, it will be tailored specifically for that particular job. Now, this AI tool that I'm talking about is called CV Matchly. Guys, I have tried it, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, okay? And the amazing thing is, it works as a Chrome extension, so it's so easy, okay? So I'll leave the link to the Chrome extension in the description of the video, as well as a pinned comment, okay? So you can just click on it and then see how it works. I know some people will say, oh, there's ChatGPT, but remember, you will now have to take a screenshot of the job ad, send it to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT your standard. This, you don't have to copy and paste and take screenshots. This is literally doing the work for you in seconds so that you can keep applying for as many jobs as you want, meanwhile using tailored CVs to do so. So let's see how it works. So I already have the Chrome extension. This is what is in the top right corner there. I'm going to click on it, okay, and I'm going to log in. So obviously I'm not going to show you my login details. So when you do that, this is what you see, okay? When you log in, it allows you to quickly upload your CV, okay? So let me just go to a job ad. Let me just go to chemical engineering jobs, okay? Chemical engineering jobs near me, okay? So I'm just going to look for this one. So it has taken me to this website so that I can apply from this website, okay? So my husband is a chemical engineer, proudly so, right? So I'm just going to upload his CV, right, on this one, see how it works. So let's say I'm helping him get a job, okay? Click to choose your CV. So I'm just going to choose CV Richmond Original, okay? Open, and then I'll upload it. So I'm just going to upload my husband's CV on here, right? It says your CV is below the hiring score. So when I run my husband's CV against this particular chemical engineering job, because he's a chemical engineer, his standard CV, we scored 41%. And you can see the red sign. This means we're likely not even going to be moved to the next stage of an interview. If the employer is using the applicant tracking system, it's probably not going to pick my husband's CV at all. Okay, it says your CV is below the hiring score. Let CV Matchly optimize it above 90% by clicking the optimize button below. Okay, it says they matched 8 keywords. So obviously chemical engineering, quality inspection, these are keywords that were matched. And then there are about 39 keywords that are missing from my husband's CV, and the experience 7, which is okay, right? So now we are going to click optimize the CV. So we're going to optimize the CV. So it's giving us a few things. So the optimization level, you can actually choose either moderate or aggressive or conservative. I think moderate is fine. Okay, so we're going to choose moderate. Okay, and then if we want it in the PDF format, you can select PDF. But if you want it in a Word format so that you can edit it as later, you can also choose that. Okay, and then so we'll go with PDF. That's fine. And over here it's just the AI suggesting that you can include any relevant process engineering or plant design experience if available, and then you can highlight knowledge or experience with process engineering software if as well. So we're just going to click generate optimized CV. Okay, so it is currently optimizing the CV. Let's count how many seconds it used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 seconds. Literally 38 seconds. Okay, so now we are going to download the optimized CV. Okay, so it's been saved in my downloads as optimized CV. Right, now let's do a trick. Okay, let's do a trick. Now click on the Chrome extension again, and then I'm going to click re-upload CV. Okay, re-upload CV. Now I'm going to click upload CV, and I'm just going to put the optimized CV. So I'm just going to go to downloads and then click optimized CV. So I'm now going to upload the optimized CV. Let's see the score now. So it is analyzing the new CV that I have, and now we had 84%. Okay, 84%. Now they are saying that the CV is still below the hiring score, but it's obviously better. Remember, they gave suggestions that if he has experience with blah, 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 he should include it. But I think 84 is way better, and we did moderate optimization, not aggressive optimization. But however, look at the difference now. Now it's 17 keywords matched. Now, just about 17 keywords missing, and then experience has moved from 7 to 9. Okay, this is really, really good. Okay. Now, one thing I like about this as well is that if, let's say, the employer is a licensed sponsor, it's going to show. So it's going to show that this person is a licensed sponsor, and it will give you the salary and let you know if it meets the skilled worker visa threshold or not. So for those that are specifically looking for sponsorship jobs, it does this background work for you as well, where it's actually letting you know if the employer is a licensed sponsor who can give you a skilled worker visa, COS, and all of that, and the salary threshold and all of that. Obviously, this one, there's no sponsorship data available, so there's no sponsorship data available. But I'll show you, let's say, how it's going to look like if the employer has sponsorship. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so now basically this is one of the few things that CV Matchly does, and you can use CV Matchly to then auto apply or then upload, copy and paste this new optimized CV with a higher score in the job ad. Okay, and then your CV is gonna most likely move to the next stage, or most likely be picked by the applicant tracking system. Now let me show you other things that you can use CV Matchly AI for. Okay, so I'm just going to log in again. Okay, so if you look at my dashboard right now, it shows that I have done about 26 total CV optimizations, but I have not applied for any job yet. And then the application rate is, so it actually gives you an overview of, you know, what you've been doing as well. Okay, and then average match score is 49% so far. What I have been doing, I've just been trying it. Okay, now you can actually go to the job application tracker to track all the jobs that you have done. Okay, so ones that were rejected, the ones that were granted offers, the ones that have, you know, you've gotten interviews and all of that. You can track it here. Another amazing thing is that, so let's say you go to the job application tracker, okay, and then you look for that particular job that you applied for. You can actually click on these dotted lines up here, okay, and then you can either view the job link, update the status, so you can either move it from rejected or offer granted or interview or whatever. And then you can download the CV that you used to apply. You can also download the cover letter. Okay, so remember what we did was just analyzing our CV against the particular job and then optimizing our CV based on the job, right? Now you can actually download the cover letter. So it's also going to help you generate a cover letter based on that job and then the information it has about you, okay? And then you can also download a supporting statement or edit the CV, and it can also help you prepare for an interview. At this moment, what more do you want? What more do you want? See, it's tough for people to even pass this application stage to go to the interview stage. But with this, you are sure that at least you're moving to the next stage. And then when you get to the interview stage, you sort yourself out. You make sure you impress the employer or the prospective employers or the panel, and then hopefully you get the job. But ladies and gentlemen, is this not the easiest way to get a job here in the UK? Because remember, like I said, you're using the applicant tracking system to filter out your CV. And if your CV does not have these words, but this CV Matchly AI reads the mind of the applicant tracking system. So it helps you know the relevant missing keywords and edits that CV for you within a matter of seconds. You saw it. It tells you whether this is a licensed sponsor, is it an A-rated sponsor, do they meet the salary threshold, what kind of visa they can sponsor you on. That's the CV for you. Help you generate a cover letter best suited for that job. Helps you to track all your applications in one page. Helps you prepare for an interview. God bless whoever did this, honestly. Now, I'll leave all the details for the Chrome extension link and the web page link and all of that. If you want a discount, obviously this is not free, guys. Use a discount code or the referral code NANEL50, okay, to get a huge discount of it, okay? And if you apply for jobs and then you move past this application stage to the interview stage using the CV Matchly AI, come back to give your testimony. Other than that, you're a criminal. Let me interview you and show the world how important this is. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, the way the world is going, you have to work smart and not hard. Okay, use this. And my discount code gives you 50% off the premium plan, okay? If you have any other questions regarding this, guys, just leave your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer for you, okay? But basically, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Isn't it amazing?